Baclayon Church is a Roman Catholic church in the municipality of Baclayon, Bohol, Philippines, under the administration of the Diocese of Tagbilaran. Baclayon was founded in 1596 by the Jesuit priests Juan de Torres and Gabriel Sanchez, making it Bohol's oldest Christian colony. It was established as a parish in 1717, and the current coral stone church was finished in 1727. The Augustinian Recollects succeeded the Jesuits in 1768 and have extensively refurbished the church since then. The National Museum of the Philippines recognized the church a national cultural treasure, and the National Historical Commission of the Philippines designated it as a National Historical Landmark. The Baclayon Church, together with the churches of Maragondon, Labac, and Giwan, has been on the UNESCO World Heritage Tentative List of the Philippines since 1993 as part of the Jesuit Churches of the Philippines. When a 7.2 magnitude earthquake rocked Bohol and other regions of central Visayas in 2013, the church edifice was severely damaged. The National Museum of the Philippines rebuilt it between 2014 and 2018.
Mapasok ngayon yung museum.
Sarado.
Nakikita natin yung mga gamit na sinalama talaga.
Oo, sarado ngayon?
Sarado, Martes pa lang close dito. Oras yan, gawang oras yan.
Oras pa na doon.
Pagka gusto nyo magsindi, tapos meron din sa likod.